how to sell accessories for gadgets on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products just to show you an idea of what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one. And on Etsy.com, we call these a shop page. It's where you add it's like the landing page of your product or the products page. It's where you add the pictures of your product, the video if you have one, the description of the product, the price, and if you have any offer, it's here. You found it in here. You see the options, and here you check out with PayPal or you add to cart. And also I'm going to show you how to set the product's details, if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, and so on. And I'm going to show you where to enter the description of your product, like this long description and the small description as well. And the last thing I'm going to teach you in today's video is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this tab and let's go back to the first page. Go up, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and to do that you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is giving a name for the shop. So here you can choose whatever name you'd like. Just make sure to remove the spaces between words and make sure for the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. So here, as you can see, the name is more than 20 characters, so we will need to shorten the name. Let's just remove 4, and here the name is available. After that, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And in this step you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to add in the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And as you can see in here, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos, and here we will have to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. Here we will need to enter the product's price, and for the listing details we will need to fill all of these red fields. There are 4, 5, 6. We will need to fill 6 red fields. And for the shipping, we have 2, 4, 6 fields that we need to fill. So I'm going to explain all of these fields, starting with photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then for the listing details, here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So let's start with the title. Let's enter the title of our product. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And for the category, just enter your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from, like the car accessories, gadgets, signs, lighters, keychains. I'm going to choose gadgets. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose black. The secondary color of the product, let's go with blue. And here we have the renewal options. We have the automatic renewal and the manual renewal, and the difference between them is that the automatic costs 20 cents each time and the manual is free. So let's choose the manual. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. For me it's a physical, and here you enter the description of your product. Then you enter the price of the product in here. For example, let's say approximately $30, for example. And then you have the shipping. As I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. So for example, let's give it for the postal code, let's give it this code, and do the same with the other fields. Then we have the returns and exchanges. You can choose the 30 days policy or you can choose another one in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.